Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Thanks for the love and support. Today we're going to make mango abele or ice cream, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Okay, and lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. My first ingredients here are these sweet and juicy mangoes. I'm going to wash them nicely, and after that, peel off the skin and take out the flesh, just like so. And once that is done, we will continue from there. So keep watching, lovelies, and go nowhere in order not to miss a step. Lovelies, if it's your first time ever stumbling on my channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. And I'm so sure you will love it here. Now let's tidy up the work surface just like this. And here they are beautiful. Next, in a saucepan, I'm adding filtered water just like this. And then I'll come in with my turmeric powder. And then I'll give it a stir until well dissolved. Next, I'm adding in my mango peels and seeds just like this. And then I'll let them boil for about just 3 minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes later, I'm back and check this out. The color is so beautiful, so vibrant. So far, so good. I love the thickness of it. Next, in a bowl, I'm adding my mangoes and then my syrup. Even though I didn't add any sugar, but because the mangoes are so sweet, ooh, you need to taste this. This syrup tastes real good. Now I'm using my hand blender to blend until nice and smooth. I'm all done. And this is too thick for my liking. So to loosen it up a bit, I'm going ahead to add in coconut water, just like this. I'm not adding too much because I still do not want it to be too watery. So this much is fine, okay? Next, I'm coming in with my vanilla extract for flavor. Again, I'll stir until well incorporated, okay? This smells good and looks good. So now I'll set it aside and focus on the next step. Here in the bowl, I'm adding my heavy or whipped cream, and then I'll come in with my milk powder. Next, I'm adding my organic honey for flavor. You can as well use the brown sugar or even the white sugar, and it's fine. Now stir to mix everything together until well combined. For more flavor, I'm adding vanilla extract. Again, I'll stir until well incorporated. All done, I'll set that aside as well. And in the cups, I'm going ahead to add first my mango smoothie. That's how I'll call it, okay? So here we go. Once they are all filled up, next I'll add some of my milky mixture to some of the cups because lovelies, I do not want to have this ice cream or abeles in the same way. I want to enjoy them differently, okay? So to some of the mango smoothie, I'll add the milky mixture and I'll give it a stir. With others, I'll not stir. I'll just leave it like that on top of it. And with some of the mango smoothie, I'll leave them like that without any milky mixture or anything added to them, okay? So we are all done and now into the freezer they go. Next, I'm adding some of the milky mixture into the cups, just like that, without any mango smoothie or nothing to it, okay? So that's it, lovelies. This is how I want to enjoy my ice cream or abeles differently, okay? Check this out. How do you say it? Beautiful. I love that. So a few hours later, we are back and our abeles or ice cream are so ready and I hope you've been inspired. I love how they came out beautiful. I love every flavor. Like the flavor of just the mango is nice. The flavor of both the mango and milky mixture is also nice. And eating just the milky abeles or ice cream is also beautiful. Lovelies. I hope you try this and thank me later. For more of my videos, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Lovelies, this is how I'm preserving them. To-dos. Peace out.